Hello friends, welcome to my art channel. My name is Alina and today I'm going to show you how to paint a very simple black and white landscape with watercolor as the base and finishing off the painting in acrylic layer. So to start the painting, we're going to give the background a light wash of gray in watercolor. Now we're going to use a round brush, tap in some black paint, and tap on the horizon line, giving the illusion of grass. Continue to tap in black paint using a round brush to the bottom half of the painting. Now moving forward, we're going to build the second layer of the sky. Tap in a little bit more of dark grays. With the liner brush, I'm going to dip in some dilute white paint and starting to create the clouds. I'm gonna use a liner brush and create a tree on the left side of the painting, just to give more depth. Use a fan brush, dip it in dilute black paint. We're gonna create the silhouette of the grasses growing on the edge of the hill. Continue with the fan brush. We're going to move towards the foreground of the painting, and we will also use the same motion of swiping from bottom to top to create more grasses. With the liner brush, I'm going to continue to move in and create more layers on the clouds. Also noted, at this point, I have switched from watercolor paint to acrylic paint. As I mentioned before, a black and white painting can feel very flat. So now I'm going to use a little bit of ultramarine blue and I'm going to mix in with the sky to give more depth to the painting. I will continue to add more detail into the clouds. It is now day 2. I'm returning to add more detail and to finish the painting. In a light wash of chrome yellow to the foreground to make it feel more earthy. Be sure to not use too much color because then you will lose the integrity of a black and white painting. To keep it cohesive, I will also add in some ultramarine blue to the bottom of the painting in between the grasses. here I'm just adding more detail to make the painting more beautiful and to my liking. Well, that is it. So I'm happy with the result. I'm gonna finish here, and I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will appreciate your support. Also, my Etsy shop is open. If you would like to own an original piece, consider supporting my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next painting video. Bye bye.